Hello everyone, this is Chris with StickerFab. Today it's 66 degrees. It was a little bit colder earlier. The sun has decided to come out, and check this out. We're doing infinite landscape passenger side dash overlays. They come in 3-piece. We'll have a piece over there, a piece in the middle, and a piece on this side so you can see it as you enter the vehicle. It really spices up the dash, gives the passenger a little something cool to look at, and you as a driver, when you look over towards that passenger's side. We've made these landscapes, and this is about as wide as we can get them, so we didn't decide to continue them over to the driver's side, but just wanted to accent this big blank area in your 2021 and up Ford Bronco. We will come out with a variety of designs. I'm calling this Desert Road 1, and over here we will have Mountain 1 as well. So you guys can pick from a variety, and if you contact us, we'll try to develop some other ones if this isn't exactly what you had in mind. To get this install done, you want a felt tip squeegee, of course your vinyls. I have a heat gun sitting here because it was a little bit cooler, and since I'm going to do a wet install with our StickerFab application fluid, I'm going to use that to dry out that liquid just a little bit quicker so I don't have to sit around and wait. Of course, you can use a drop of dish soap plus a cup of water. However, this really is the best combination. You're gonna want to clean all this off, so I would say have some kind of interior cleaner, make sure it doesn't leave any residue, make sure you're not installing on top of Armor All. Clean this, clean the back of your hands, and then get ready for that install. All right, so I pretty much had this area clean from our first install. I'm going to do the main portion first, so let me take off the one that I already had on here for just a few hours. Get rid of that. We will take our main portion. I want to spray the application area. Be pretty liberal with it. Spray the back of our vinyl as well. And then you're going to want to center it on this. For me, I think these blue colors might be better with an Outer Banks. So we want to make sure that we're using something as a point of reference. So I'm using the top of the Bronco letters on the dash as a reference. And then I'm checking the right edge to make sure if it's going down far enough. Looks like we need to scoot it over to the right a little bit, and that application fluid lets me do that easily. If it's really hot where you are, that sun is going to want to stretch that vinyl, probably more than you're going to want it to stretch. So keep that in mind. Do this in the shade. If it's really warm, go ahead and do it with a little bit of sun. If it's cold where you are, I still want it over to the right because I want it to fill in the entire gap on the right side mainly. That's where it's exposed the most when you're getting in the vehicle. I've got it pretty close. It's rolling over the edge on this side. So now I pretty much have it where I want. Actually, on these silver dashes, it looks kind of weird to go up to that. Might not look as weird on the darker color dashes. So I'm going to take it up and I'm going to give it just a little bit of spacing right there. A lot of trial and error, but that StickerFab application fluid is coming in handy. Just a millimeter more. I think we have it. Okay, now I can use my squeegee. Make sure the spacing here is even. And because it's kind of sharp at the top, I'm going to push upward instead of going this way, so I don't catch on that. And then I'll push down. Push it over the edge over here. And then this part, we might have to wait for it to dry out a little bit. Ooh, but that extra sun is coming in handy. I didn't have earlier. Looks like it's gonna stick as is. And let's remove this part right here. And find the appropriate replacement piece. We'll spray the back of this. Since it's a smaller piece, I don't have to worry about it as much. These are all coming in a matte satin finish. So we want to keep it pretty much even with the other side. If you turn your vent down, you can see it's right above that vent. All right, so easiest side to line up first is that inner corner towards the multimedia system. Looks about even there. And then we kind of just push the AC vent and roll it around the edge. If it's giving you any trouble sticking, just use that heat that you have around. Don't apply too much heat, you really don't need to. If it burns your hands, then it's probably too hot for the vinyl. We don't want to overstretch it. We just want to activate that adhesive. So now we have most of it installed. Let's finish up with the outer portion. All right, I've gotten outside of the vehicle so this doesn't wiggle much. I have the camera on the seat. I'm gonna get into this corner, remove the old one. Again, grab the appropriate replacement piece we have right here. Spray the back of it. And I'm gonna look on the inside, again, using kind of these vents as a reference for alignment. Pushing the vent in to make sure I cover up all this area in there. Looks good, looks pretty even. Rolling it over the edge now. And this edge is really sharp on the outside, so like it or not, I'm going to use a little heat. Get it a little bit warm. Test out that heat, see how hot it is. And then I can run my finger along there and push it into the trim. Apply a little bit more heat if necessary. Just need the sun to dry that out. Or if we feel like we're too far this way, move more of it this way. It'll probably be easier to get it to stick to the inside than to roll around the outside. But when you get it the way you want it, you're done with your install. And here we go with our final overview shot of how this looks fully installed. A little bit different design than the first one that we had on there. Everyone will get to choose what looks best in their Bronco. So for more products like this, please visit our website at StickerFab.com, like this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, hit that bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things we are coming out with for the 2021 and up Ford Bronco.